All right, guys, welcome to part 3 of our $1 Million Airbnb series.
Today, our house is fully demoed. It's torn apart, so we're gonna take you through it, show you what we're doing with designs to bring this place back to life and turn it into an Airbnb.
Come on inside.
First off, there's a major problem here. Where the hell is our contractor at? There's honestly no one here working. Kind of a big issue being that we're on a huge time crunch for this unit and we gotta move fast.
Okay. If you viewed our channel before, welcome back. But if you're here for the first time, we're the Boeckle Brothers. I'm Jesse.
And I'm Landon.
And we flip homes here in Las Vegas. We've actually done over 325 of them in the last 5 years of our careers. Today, we're in our Airbnb, so let's take a look around.
So this isn't a flip, it's actually an investment for us. So we had to really think about budgets and cost savings on this property. Luckily on this particular house, there's a lot of things that we could actually save here and just rehab to make them look a lot newer and a lot more up to date. For example, we're standing in the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen's completely taped off because we're saving some stuff here. These countertops, as you can see, let me pull this up, are actually really nice countertops. Black and white. They're gonna go really well with our new cabinet colors. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna refinish all the cabinets here in the kitchen with a really nice satin black finish and put gold hardware on all the cabinets. It's gonna bring this house super up to date.
So now we're in the main living room of the house and it has one of our favorite features already built in. This entire bar was already here for us with the same countertops and cabinets that we find in the kitchen. So we're gonna do the exact same thing, refinish those cabinets to bring them up to date, leave the countertops and save us a little bit of money. But this bar is perfect for entertaining and opens up this entire room to enjoy. So what we're gonna do is, like I said, refinish all of this and make it look up to date. We're also gonna turn this back wall into a full entertainment wall. We're gonna hang a really big TV, probably put a nice fireplace, trim it out with a really nice design so that this is your focal point and this is where you can all hang out and watch the game in this entire family room. We're gonna hang a couple fans in here to keep it nice, keep it cool, probably puts a lot of seating and couch and games in this room. So this is a total entertainment room.
So as you can see by the floors throughout the house, they're hideous, old, dated, and dark. But one of the positives about it is this flooring is throughout the entire house, all one level. So what we're able to do to save costs is actually not have to demo the floors. That would have been a major cost to the renovation of this house and would have taken a lot more time. So I want to show you the floors that we're actually putting in. We're putting in these really nice LVT floors, super durable, also waterproof. We're gonna have a lot of people here drinking, coming in and out from the pools. So you gotta have a waterproof flooring throughout the house. This natural wood look flooring is gonna brighten the place up, make it feel super warm. And this LVT is only $2 a square foot to buy, so it's very affordable to lay down.
All right, next up is the primary bedroom. Now, I know you're all thinking the same way I do. When I book an Airbnb and I take on the role of organizing the troops to move, I want the primary bedroom to myself and I want that primary bedroom to be super nice. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna run all that new flooring in through here. This has already got a really nice accented fireplace that we're gonna paint and make it look nice and up to date. We're gonna hang a TV in here to have in the primary bedroom. It also has double doors, its own access to the backyard, which is super sweet. This is the bed wall here that's gonna get accented with some trim and a different color paint. Now follow me into the primary bathroom. This is getting all new cabinets, new shaker style with new countertop, faucets and fixtures and mirrors, so it's gonna look totally renovated. Unlike the other areas that were already nice, this one wasn't quite up to snuff, so we had to take it out and put all new stuff back in. You have your closet right through here, and right behind me is the actual bathroom, so that's more of the vanity area. We have a really cool clawfoot tub that we're gonna install back in its original place. We're gonna wainscot the entire room around with all new tile, and that tile is gonna flow right into the walk-in shower as well. So the primary bathroom is the place to be.
So one crucial component of a successful short-term rental is simply how many people can it sleep. The more people it sleeps, the more money you can possibly make. The best thing about this house is it's actually a 7-bedroom house. So behind me I have 4 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. One cool thing that we're gonna do with all the secondary bathrooms of this house is we're gonna do each bathroom with a little bit different material and tile choices to make each one look different.
So our game room in the house is actually situated right in the entryway, right when you walk in. So we want this to be a real appealing, make a really good first impression. So we're gonna have lots of seating in here, some games, a really nice wall. We'll hang a TV and trim out so it has a nice design to it. We're gonna again refinish and repaint this fireplace just like we're doing with the others, so it looks nice and up to date as well. And Landon also mentioned in the other video, part 2 of the backyard, we're actually creating a door here so you have access from the game room in and out of the backyard.
So off the kitchen, on the opposite side of the house, we actually have another 2 bedrooms with another full bathroom on this side of the house. And then we have our formal dining area over here. So what we're gonna do to make sure that we can fit all, maybe 10, 12, 14 people that can stay in this house, eat at the same table, we're gonna build a bench around this entire dining area here, a 3-sided bench with a table so we can put another couple seats on the other side to fit everyone here. Gonna be a really nice formal dining space so that everyone can eat together at night.
All right, so the renovation actually continues outside too. Now, the paint color of the house isn't terrible, but we feel like it's a little bit dated and it doesn't reflect the property as a whole being fully rehabbed. So what we're gonna do is reset some of these colors. We're gonna put a nice dark gray around all the accents and the fascia. So hopefully that'll give it a nice modern look. We're also gonna paint the brick along the front gate, the front of the house, right here by the front door, a nice dark gray as well. Hopefully give that a nice accent and add a nice solid satin black front door as well.
So I know what you're thinking, what is all of this gonna cost us to renovate? We already talked about the $40,000 we're putting into the landscape in part 2 video, but for the interior renovation and the exterior paint job, what's it gonna cost? Well, we have about a $90,000 budget for the full renovation on this house.
Right, so that's not including furniture. Furniture is gonna be in another video coming up, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can see what that costs as well to get the total investment in this Airbnb.
We hope you learned a little bit today. We hope we're helping you build out your Airbnb so you can cash flow just like this property is gonna do for us. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. We're always happy to answer.
Till then,
We'll see you on the flip side.